brothers and sisters, when you're choosing a spouse, make sure that you choose someone who is similar to you or who is within what you already like. Many times a mistake people make is they choose someone whom they believe they would like to change drastically. And they say, don't worry, this person will change after marriage. Did you know 9 times out of 10 they don't change after marriage? They don't change to that degree. A small degree, yes. But people don't make drastic changes, and if they do, it is short-lived. So it's best to marry someone who is already within what you would like, within what you prefer, within what you would get along with. One who has great character and conduct and has a level of consciousness of the Almighty that is satisfactory. Similarly, one who would be a parent to your future children if Allah blesses you with those children. One who would respect your family, and in turn, obviously, you would respect their family as it is. May Allah Almighty grant us goodness. So I thought I'd highlight this to say, when choosing a spouse, people sometimes choose someone who is outrageously different and say, no, they have a good heart, they want to change, they regret their past, we all regret everything we've done in the past that was negative, yes. But if the person was serious, they would change before you married them. It would not be connected to your marriage. That's just a point of interest. You do have an exception or two to the rule, but it's very, very rare. We find many people make mistakes, and later on they come back to us and say, you know what, this was a big mistake. This person did not change. So I thought, well, let's just warn you about it. May Allah protect all of us and grant us goodness. Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.